Hello and welcome back to Mr. Larry's Craft Show. Today we're going to make a bag. I'm using my favorite fabrics here, and then I simply cut my fabric to size, both the inside layer and the outside layer. Of course, I have this additional fabric to use for an accent pocket, and I just iron that to make sure it's flat. Then it's stitching, just a few straight stitches here and there, nothing extraordinarily complicated. Very simple, in fact. See how easy it is. Then I clip the corners, producing a gusset, which I stitch together, and it'll give the bag a flat bottom, which I then iron even flatter. Don't look at my nails. Then I gather the edges of the tops and press those out as well because we want them nice and flat for our stitches. Yes, more stitches, and you know I love a double row of stitches around the edge. Our bag is almost complete. Of course, we need to add our accent pocket to one side. I'm simply going to pin it into place and then stitch around the edge one more time to keep it there. Very simple indeed. Look at that. Now the bag is nearly complete. And we need some straps, which I'll use this cotton binding for. Trim it to size, stitch it to the top and the other side of your bag. Something's missing here. There we are, that's much better. And of course I achieved this by simply using my new Cricut machine. I drew the image on my iPad, then converted it to a vector image, then brought it into the Cricut design space, and then made the cut. Very easy, very simple. Iron it into place, and our bag is complete. Good job indeed. And of course, we'll see you very soon. You can subscribe to the YouTube channel over on YouTube. Stay safe and stay crafty.